So here I have a programming code in Python which takes up 5 numbers and takes out their average. That is, it gives out the average as result. So let's say what I want to do is I want to convert this particular code into a C programming code. In that case, I can simply go around and then copy out this code right here and go to Microsoft Copilot. So now in the precise mode, I'm going to go around and say convert this Python programming code into C programming code right here, just like this, and paste it out. So once I go around and do that, what happens is that it starts giving the equivalent C programming code right here, just like this. So you can see that it takes up this code and simply copies out its function and then changes it into a C programming code right here. So now once you go around and do that, you can simply go around and copy once the result generation is over. So you can see that it is loading right here, just like this. Let me just stop responding because I just need the code. So I'm going to copy out this code, and then over here on the C compiler, let me just go around and paste this out over here and allow this out. So now you can see that this is what you have right here. This is the C programming code for the function, the equivalent function. So click on run right here, just like this, and now it says enter a number right here. So now as I enter 5 number right here, it gives out the average. And that is how you can utilize Microsoft Copilot to convert programming codes from one code to another easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.